I've officially passed phase 2 of the True Forex Funds Challenge, and that means I'm officially a True Forex Funds funded trader. So I'm very, very happy, and I'm especially happy because with passing True Forex Funds, the 200k challenge means that I've hit the total assets under management value of $1 million across the prop firms I'm trading with. 1 year ago, a bit over 1 year ago, before April 2022, I didn't have a single dollar in funding, and now I'm trading 7 figures. So very, very happy. Never thought I'd be here. And it just goes to show that if you have not the right strategy, I never want to say the right strategy, but if you have a strategy that you've back tested thoroughly, you know the proven results through the back testing, and you're able to replicate that in your live trading, you know, the sky is the limit. You'll be able to scale your capital fast because you know you have a probabilistic edge in the market. So what I do advise to you guys, if you're not funded or looking to get funded, would be to make sure you back test one strategy. Don't hop from strategy to strategy. Stick to one strategy, back test that thoroughly, get that probabilistic edge through the data, and look to implement that in the market. I'm digressing, but yeah, very, very happy. And I'm gonna go into the account dashboard. But first I want to show you guys the certificate I got from True Forex Funds. It's a very slick looking certificate. It's got this really cool purple contrast to it, kind of like the website look. So yeah, that's the certificate. And I'm gonna hop onto the account dashboard quickly to show you the account metrics. And then I'll also hop onto the charts and show you the winning trade that got me over the line. So yeah, very happy, and let's head over to the account dashboard. So right now I'm on the account dashboard for phase 2 part of the challenge. And yeah, you can see that on this chart, I did get into a bit of drawdown. So I was around, give or take, $4,000 down, so around 2%. And then I got that winning trade that got me over the line. So you can see the start date was April 6th, and I finished the challenge May 5th. Yeah, you can see I hit the profit target. I got that congratulations tab over here. Shows that I passed. And let's just get into a few of the metrics. I don't want to bore you guys, but I know some of you are very interested in seeing the metric side of things. You can see that the daily loss wasn't hit, the max loss wasn't hit, and you can see I took 5 trades. So wasn't very active, but I did take 5 trades. I think the last trade I took was just to fill in the minimum trading days, because they do have 5 minimum trading days you have to fill. So not a big deal. It's just something you have to do with this prop firm. The first trade was April 6th. It was a negative trade. I think it's better if I show you over here. Yeah. So over here you can see in depth. So on April 6th, it was a short on EJ. That resulted in a minus 1% loss. And then we had a long entry on EU. That resulted in just under a 1% win. Then I had a couple of losses on AU and EU. And then I had that massive winning trade on AJ, the long entry on AJ. Very, very happy with the trade. It was actually a trade I took only on my challenge accounts and not on my funded accounts. Something about the trade just seemed a little bit more risky. I was only comfortable taking the trade on my challenge accounts. I'm a little bit more risky on the challenge accounts because, you know, you just want to pass the challenges, and it was worth the risk. So yep, it did pay dividends, and yeah, that was the trade that got me over the line. And then if I scroll up, I'm just going to show you guys a few of the metrics. So statistics, my best trade was that winning trade on AJ, and then my worst trade was a bit over 1%. Number of trades I took was 6. The total lots that I placed was 83.06. My win rate was 33%, so not that high. But if you look at my average risk to reward ratio, it was 5.88. So it doesn't really matter because I had such a high risk to reward ratio, basically that winning trade. And then if you see my average win, it was $7,800. Average loss was 1,326. So it was just above 0.5%. And then we have the expectancy, which is $1,716, and the profit factor of $2.94. Then we have a couple of cool metrics where it shows that the direction allocation, 66.7% of my trades were long entries, and 33.3% of my entries were short entries. And then over here, the symbol allocation, I took trades on 5 different pairs. I believe the UJ, I don't really trade UJ, so I think that was a trade just to fill in the minimum trading days. The majority of my trades was on EU, and the other pairs was 16.7%. Yeah, that's that. And yeah, now I'm going to show you guys the winning trade that got me over the line to pass me phase 2 of the True Forex Funds challenge. So let's get into it. So right now I'm on the charts, and I'm going to show you guys a winning trade that got me over the line to pass phase 2. I'm going to bar replay it just so I can share my thought process. So over here you can see price has impulsed up. We're currently on an uptrend, so I am interested in looking for long positions. And then if we continue the bar replay tool, we can see that we continued. Price continued with that bullish candle, and then we got a bit of a retracement, but it still technically continued because we broke the high. And then over here we can see that there isn't any shift in momentum. We got a bullish candle, then price not showing any signs of a shift in momentum, broke the low, retraced, broke the low again. Yeah, I was happy to take this on my challenge accounts. The reason I didn't take it on my funded accounts was because I wasn't able to reduce my risk. If we were to break the high, my stop loss would still be over here, so I wouldn't be able to reduce the risk, let's say to here, according to my risk management rule. That's the reason I didn't take the trade on my funded accounts, but I was happy to take it on my challenge accounts. And what happened was price shot up and I closed the trade over here and I hit the profit target. So yeah, I'm very happy to have passed phase 2 of True Forex Funds, and I'm officially funded with them, and to have now reached $1 million in capital is absolutely amazing. Feel very, very blessed. I'd be really interested to see what's happening with your trading journey. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd be very interested to hear. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.